We are pleased to show you 2012 Lincoln Navigator. The Lincoln Navigator offers over 100 cubic feet of cargo space, 3 rows of seating for up to 8 passengers, and best-in-class legroom, as well as an authoritative 5.4-liter 3-valve V8 flex fuel engine. This luxury SUV is powerfully persuasive. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, stability control, traction control, power steering, cruise control, universal garage door opener, power windows, child safety locks, power door locks. Your new ride is just a phone call away.